Namaste, hello everyone. I am 𝗥𝗲𝗶𝗹 from Kathmandu, Nepal, and I came to Rishikesh 1 month ago. I came here to learn about the yogic culture, the lifestyle, and here I found the Vinyasa Yogashala, the perfect place to be. Vinyasa Yogashala welcomed me most. I learned about the yogic culture, the lifestyle of the yogis, and how to do the yoga postures, the yogic anatomy, and many much more things that I cannot express in the word, but I have learned a lot and I will be practicing it throughout my life. Vinyasa Yogashala is the perfect place to learn the yoga teacher training. It has 200, 300 and 500 hours, and I did the 200 starting hour. It was really great experience I had that will be embedded in my life throughout the lifetime. This place welcomed me so warmly, and I have been here like a family member now. I had practiced a lot of yoga postures. The teacher here are really friendly. They correct you, they teach you, they make you feel like a home, and they are really good. The experienced teacher here correct you, teach you about your postures, teach you about your own body anatomy and your movements. I get a chance to learn about my own body, the movements of my body, and the flow of my body. This place I recommend to everyone